Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing Uncle Sam. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing Uncle Sam because Independence Day is coming and this will be a fun lesson for little artists. Let's start this picture in the middle of the paper. The first thing I want to do is a backwards letter C for the nose. Just like that. And underneath the nose, we're going to do his mustache. And we're going to start on the left side and I want to go doing curves. They're going to go under the letter C I just did. And the last curve is a little longer. Okay, this one and this one. Next, we're going to do the mouth and it's going to be a U shape that is going to go under the mustache like this. And we're gonna finish his mouth with a tongue that goes like with a curve inside. Next, we're gonna do the eyes and we're gonna do two oval shapes. So I'm gonna do the first one here on the left side and I'm just gonna go an oval shape. Okay, and inside I'm gonna do a little circle and I'm doing this with the tip of the marker and I wanna color with black around it. Now let's do the other one right here. The same thing, it's an oval shape. And now a little circle and color black around it. Now that we have the eyes and the mouth, we can do the face around all these things. And I'm gonna start here on the left side and I'm just gonna do a U shape that goes around all these things we just draw. It's gonna pass close to the mouth and I'm gonna go up again. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna try to make it the same size. In the sides, we're gonna do ears like with a C shape, and I'm gonna do a little line inside. Let's do the same thing here. Now let's do the hat, and from this line of the head, I'm gonna do a curve that goes and connects with the ear. The same thing here, a curve goes and connects with the ear. Now we're gonna close here on the top of the head, and I'm just gonna curve down a little and connect to the other side. Next, we're gonna do eyebrows. These eyebrows are gonna be rectangle shapes. I'm gonna do one here, and if your rectangle shapes go a little bit underneath this line, it's okay. Now let's continue with the hat. I'm gonna repeat this line. So I'm gonna go up here a little, and I'm gonna put a little dot, and I'm gonna go up here a little, I'm gonna put a little dot, and I'm gonna connect these two, following the same shape I did for the hat. So I'm just gonna go around like that. Now let's do the top of the hat and we're gonna do two lines. So here from the line of the head, I'm just gonna go up. And here from the line of the head, I'm going up. And now we can connect these two with a curved line on the top. Inside, I wanna put some decoration. So in the middle of the hat, I wanna trace a line that go across. And it's gonna look like this. I'm going across, going up a little in the center and coming back down. And inside, I'm gonna trace lines. Let's leave a little bit of a space, trace a line, little bit of space, trace a line, and I want to continue doing that until I reach to the other side. Just like that. And the last thing I want to do, I'm going to put some stars on the top of the hat, okay? So using B shapes or U shapes, you can do a star. So I want to start on the top, now the side, the bottom, like that. And I'm going to repeat two more on the sides. Now we're going to trace a little bit of hair from the ear is going to connect to the hat and from the ear here to the hat, from the top of the ear, okay? Let's move on to the body. We're going to start doing a bow that he has on his suit. Now this is a cartoon character, so the head is bigger than the body, okay? And I want to do a half a circle underneath his chin. And then I want to do 1, 2 curves, 1 and 2 curves. Now from the circle, or for the half a circle, I'm going to do a line that goes down. And we're going to do 2 more lines. I want to leave a space here and I'm going to do a line that goes down, but it's not going to get to the bottom. It's going to go halfway this one. Let's repeat that on the other side. Another line halfway this one, and we're trying to leave the same space in between them. Now let's do a diagonal line down. Diagonal line down. Okay, Now let's go on the top here, and I want to do a diagonal line. There's gonna be the first arm, so I'm gonna go to the left like this, and in this side to the right. Now to close the jacket, you can close it going all the way up. I'm gonna leave a little bit of a space for mine, so I'm gonna go up here doing a curve, and I'm gonna stop before I touch the bow. Up and stop before I touch the bow or the arm. Now these hands are holding flags, so I'm gonna do the first one, a little oval shape for the thumb, and now let's do an oval shape down for the rest of the fingers. And now we can connect his arm here. Let's repeat that again. We're gonna do a little oval shape, and then a big oval shape, and then a line that connects here for the arm. Let's finish his clothing. So we're gonna go here on a horizontal line just like that, and I want to put little dots here for buttons. For the pants, we're gonna do 2 diagonal lines, so they're gonna come from these corners. I'm gonna do the left first, down, and then the right, and in the center we're gonna do an A shape, so it's gonna look like this, kind of like a triangle that goes up and down. And now, before I join these bottoms, we're gonna do kind of like a upside down letter U. We're gonna go here 1, 2, and then we close on the bottom, and this is gonna be the shoe. The last thing we're gonna do to finish our picture is the little flags. I wanna start here on the left side, and the only thing I wanna do is 1 and 2 lines that come out of the thumb, and we're gonna put a little circle at the end. Now I want to go down, and I'm going to do a curved line. I'm going up, and I'm doing 1 and 2 curves. Let's repeat those steps here. I'm going to do 1, 2 lines. On the top, we're going to put a circle. Now let's do a curve on the bottom and 2 lines on the top. So it's 1 and 2. And now we can just join this part. I'm gonna leave my little flags like this because I'm gonna add color now. And there, that's it. We finished this little cartoon character that is Uncle Sam is getting ready for Independence Day. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out. I tried to go with the colors of the flag. I hope you like this lesson and it was easy for you to follow. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.